Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For right now, I'm going to do another unboxing. I have this Allure Beauty Box. I have got a bunch that I could go back and do if you want me to. But I'm sure everybody on here already got theirs and I got mine late, whatever. We're going to do a quick review. So this, I don't remember, I guess it's February's box. And they changed the price on this from $10 or $15 to now it's like $23 or whatever it is. And so I went back and I bought the year's worth Allure Beauty Box. I do like getting it because I get to try all these products and stuff, but I don't know if I want to keep doing it. I do like these, but sometimes I don't know if it's worth it or not. I had BoxyCharm and I ended up canceling it. We're gonna go through this really quickly. So this is a beauty resurfacing compound. Beauty resurfacing compound. And this retails for $148. What the heck does it do? Well, I guess it's just to help resurface your face. It's a apply one pump in the morning and night. Anyways, this is this product right here. I'm not even really sure what it's for. This lady said she's dealt with hyperpigmentation for a long time and her pimples, so I guess it's kind of, it seems like it's like a clarifying kind of product, so we can try it and see what happens with it. Alright, so that's one product. And then these are supposed to be full sizes and I guess deluxe sizes. The next item I got was this Christopher Robin Daily Hair Cream with sandalwood. Okay, so this is for your hair. It's a hair product. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it does smell good. Oh, I like the smell of sandalwood too. Let's put a little bit in my hair. I've always been a fan of air drying, but now that I'm in my late 30s, my hair is drier than ever, drier and frizzier. I washed my hair this morning, so, okay. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do, but the next item I got was this Floss Lip Advocate in Your Honor makeup. Okay, wait, so this is Christopher Robin's hair cream, and this retails for $43. For this thing? Wow, okay. Alright. So the next thing I got was Floss Lip Advocate in Your Honor. So this is a floss. Okay, so the color is called Your Honor. This is the product here. Floss. I think I have other things that I got from this. Oh, this smells good too. Let's do a little swatch of this. It's very, very light. Okay, okay. Alright, this retails for $18. The next thing we got, it was Medeka Derma Revitalizing Mask. Another sheet mask. Any kind of sheet mask are good for your face. It's a Korean brand. Oh, this is cool. I love Korean skincare. I can't wait to like actually get more Korean skincare and do another haul for you guys, because YesStyle has really good Korean skincare for really inexpensive. A pack of 10 of these retails for $19.99. Okay, and then I got this before, and Body and Face Broad Spectrum, so I guess it's just sunblock for your face, and this is really good because we need to protect our face. So, and this retails for $24.99, but I'm sure it's the bigger bottle of it. But I have gotten this before and I've used it, and I do like this product. Very, very good. And then the last item I got was a treatment cleansing foam, Amore Pacific Cleansing Foam. This is a deluxe size, and this retails for $50. So this is just a cleansing foam. Probably like maybe I could do a getting unready with me, and I could do this. I could see how it feels on my face, and I could put the mask on. Maybe I could do that next. So this box this is everything I got this month in February's Allure Beauty Box. Good products, good skincare products, because you always need skincare products, but sometimes you get too much. I mean, I only got one makeup item. I think in one of the boxes I got, I actually got a palette. I think it was last month, and I don't remember, because I didn't do it. But if you guys want me to, I can go back and find them and do a quick review for you guys. But anyways, that's everything I got in my Allure Beauty Box. Do more with my channel. I want to do more DIYs. Those DIYs are fun. And again, I want to bring my channel to a business aspect and probably go over how I'm going to be starting my small business soon and take you guys through that journey with me. So, before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Please like my video, and so it can help my YouTube algorithm, so I can be in there and you guys can. But anyways, please like and subscribe to my video, like my channel for the YouTube algorithm. I want to keep on creating good content for you guys, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody. Bye.